Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Tonight I am going to be doing a relaxing clean with me after company has left. In my last video where I showed you how to make the chicken hash brown bake, I had mentioned I was going to conclude it with a relaxing clean with me, and here it is. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Lynn. I am a mom of 5 and I do weekly cleaning and organizing videos as well as cooking and DIY crafts and dollar store fun. Also some vlogs here and there. So I am so glad you're here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now I'm just going to be cleaning off my countertops and my stove as well as the microwave. This is something I do every single evening. I like to give everything a good wipe down. While I was cleaning my stove, my microwave, I noticed the canisters right there were looking pretty rough. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of clean those up. I got the utensil canister from Home Goods and the tea one from Marshall's, and then I got the tin there from the Goodwill. And I think I got it for like $1, and then I spray painted it one of my favorite colors, as you can see, and you will see in my house. I love aqua and I love mint and I love all colors like that. So yeah, and I got the idea from Pinterest to have a tin there and just kind of have everything in that cluster, and I have loved the way it looks. I've had it for about 2 years now and I love it, and it's honestly held up very, very well. You guys, I'm going to try not to talk too much because I wanted this to be a relaxing video for you guys, but let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys are wanting to see from me. More cleaning, organizing, vlogs, DIY and crafts, lots of talking, not a lot of talking. You guys, you got to let me know. Before I move on to the sink, I'm going to give the microwave a good wipe down. And when I was cleaning earlier, I noticed my undermount sink was looking pretty grimy, and even though I clean it very well every night, it needed a deeper clean. So I took this Lysol with bleach and I'm spraying it underneath to kind of get all that yucky stuff off. Like I said before, I do clean out my sink every day after dinner. And actually after I do dishes, just every so often, and it just really needed a deep clean, especially underneath there. A lot of grimy junk gets in there, so this was much needed. I don't know about you guys, but I find this process of deep cleaning super satisfying. I love getting in all the nooks and crannies and really making sure everything's really good and clean. Let me know if you guys kind of have that same feeling about it. Now I'm going to take care of the living room. I am going to fold up the blankets that were left out and clean up the Jenga pieces. I want to also vacuum the main living areas before I put the kiddos to bed. I don't like to do this after they're in bed just because I'm worried the vacuum may wake them up. I will say that the new V8 I got is much quieter than the other one. Let me know if you guys want to see a review. I actually did film one, but I did not upload it yet because I kind of did it on a whim. I just got home from the gym and I wasn't sure. So just let me know in the comments below if you guys would like to see a review for the V6 and the V8 Dyson handhelds. So I'm going to finish vacuuming up the house. I do this several times a day, and it definitely needs it with having 7 people, 5 kids. This has to happen every single day, numerous times a day. And this handheld is just a lifesaver because of that. It's so much lighter, and it's just a great little vacuum. I am still in love with the blue rug I got there. I got it at Marshall's, I think for about $16, and I just love it. It just complements the kitchen so well. Marshall's always has some really good stuff. Now I'm going to tackle the playroom. I was going to have the kids clean it, but honestly I wanted to organize it while I was cleaning. There are some times where we just clean it up, and then there are other times that I like to just get in there and really put everything in its place. My son got out a battleship game, and you can see the pegs everywhere, and then my other son decided to make swords out of cardboard because he was bored. So I've decided I'm just going to take care of it. School is officially out, so I needed to come in here and take care of my kids' backpacks and take all the old school papers out and save their artwork and hopefully salvage some of their school supplies. Buying school supplies for a lot of kids really does add up, and I try my best to recycle them if I can. I could not believe how much paper and stuff these kids had in their backpack. It was honestly amazing. Thankfully, I was able to salvage some school supplies and folders, so that's going to be great. That's definitely going to save me some money. Now I've got everybody's stuff on the desk there, and I'm just going to organize it, but I'll probably go into more detail with it because I need to put it in some canisters to save their artwork and whatnot, and I'm going to probably tackle that another day. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, thank you, and I appreciate you so much. Please give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like these, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and also don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're the first to be notified when I upload a new video. I can't tell you enough how much I love you guys and appreciate you all. Bye guys.